No?
Yes.
Alright. I can't just graph x minus y is less than 2. What's the first thing I need to do? Slope-intercept form, right? So I'm going to subtract an x from both sides. Negative y is now less than a negative x plus 2. Everybody agree? What do I need to do? Divide by negative 1. And when that happens, what else has to happen? I switch the inequality symbol. How many of you, anybody forget to switch the inequality symbol? Did anybody forget to switch it before I said something about it the first time? Way to be honest. Okay, so now I'm going to graph. I'm going to start at negative 2. And I'm going to move up and to the right. So, and then down and to the left. And am I going to draw a dashed or solid line?
Dash.
A dash. How come?
Because it's not. Or.
Because why?
Because it's not or equal to.
Because it's not or equal to. All right. So make sure you got your dashes. Anybody forget to dash until I said something? Uh-huh. I heard Taryn go, oh. Okay. All right. So let's pick a point.
0, 0.
This time I can pick 0, 0. Because it's not on my line. So 0 is going to be greater than negative 2. Is that a yes? Yep. You should be paying attention. That's a yes. So that means everything over here, because here's 0, 0. So everything over here is going to be shaded. Everybody agree with that? Yes or maybe?
Yes.
All right, let's look at the next one, because we got 2 of them we got to do.
I think I got it right.
X plus 2y is greater than negative 1. Is that going to work? Nope. So here I go. Subtract x. 2y is going to be greater than a negative x minus 1. Everybody agree? Divide through by 2. Do I have to switch my inequality?
No.
Nope. So y is going to be greater than negative x divided by 2 minus a half. Now I heard grumblings from you people.
No.
Why did I hear grumblings?
Because you have to have one.
Because my y-intercept is a negative half. How do I graph a y-intercept that's a negative half?
You don't.
Oh my gracious! Can you sense the whatever it is?
Negativity.
Yes, the sarcasm. Can you sense that? Because if we can't graph our y-intercept, we should try our
X-intercept.
x-intercept.
Good magic. Yeah.
Okay?
That's what I did.
Nope, because my math lab's not going to let you graph a half.
What if it?
Oh no.
Sometimes it does.
It's not usually that nice, though. Let's be realistic about it. Okay.
Sometimes whenever you don't want it to, it lets you.
Yeah, that's usually
Because you're
how-
trying to graph 2, and then it turns out that you graphed 1 because you didn't know that they were counting about half.
Okay, so
Or 1.5 on accident.
here we go.
It's always true.
Let's find our x-intercept. And in order to find our x-intercept, we have to let y be 0. So we can just change that to an equal for right now. So 0 is going to equal a negative x over 2 minus a half. So I'm going to add a half back to the other side. Right? And so that's going to give me a half is equal to a negative x over 2. If I multiply both sides by negative 2, Those would cross. That would cross, and I would get my x-intercept to be a -1. We all agree with that?
Yeah.
So if my x-intercept is a -1, that's going to start right here. Everybody agree?
Yeah.
Amazing how that works. Then I can still go back and use my slope. So, down and to the right. Down and to the right.
That's totally not good.
Down and to the right. Down and to the right. Down and to the right. Or up and to the left. 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 Dashed or solid?
Dash.
Dashed. Alright, where are my... I started at a half, people. My negative, I started at a half, people. Does that look like yours?
Yeah.
I forgot to add it in there.
Okay. It's okay if we're doing it by hand. It's not going to be okay if you're doing it by my iPad.
Don't know what I did.
Alright. Now, I still got to go back and pick a point. What point do we want to pick?
0, 0.
0, 0 will work for this one too, won't it? Alright, so that tells me that 0 is going to be greater than a -1/2. Is 0 greater than a -1/2?
Yeah.
Yes. So here's 0, 0. So all of this up here will be shaded. Which means my solution region is through here. Now, are the points on my boundary line solutions? What?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Yes.
No.
No.
That's what I said.
Why are they not solutions this time?
Because it's a dotted line.
Because they're dashed lines. If they were solid lines, they're solutions. If they're dashed lines, they're not solutions. Okay? So my boundary line points are not solutions. It's just the points within this region. Everybody okay with that? Yes or maybe?